So I'm back. Hi! Welcome to the family, even though you're not here. I can talk even though I don't have any. That was deep. That's not the truth. I'm so sorry. I'm so not funny. I should just start doing. As always, I don't know what I'm doing. I don't have a plan of what I want to do. I just start and we will see from there. As always, nothing new here. I actually don't know what eyeshadow I want to do. So that's great. Beautiful, beautiful life right now. I think I want to dip into the Thirsty palette from Jeffree Star. I hate my fucking chair because it makes sounds. I need to find my brush. Where is my brush? I don't see my brush. I found a brush. My cheap little brush. Kinda wanna dip into bitch, but I also wanna dip into quench. Do you pronounce it like that? I have no clue. But I think I'm gonna dip into bitch first. Okay, and then just crease. I'm so bad at this. I don't know why I keep coming back. I'm here. Hi. What the fuck is that? I guess that's pretty okay. I'm so sorry for the constant sound in like every video who's like, I can't even explain it. I can't find out what it is. If it's the camera, if it's the light, if it's something on my table. I have no clue and I don't know how to stop it. I'm still trying to figure out what it is and I just can't. So that's cool. And my brush is purple, so that's cool as well. I think I want to go into stroke next. I didn't even show you the first color. I went in with bitch, now I want to go in with stroke and just like darken the other edges a little bit, like I like it. I think now I want to go in with this big, I think it's, for me it's a fluffy brush, I don't know how you call it. And I'm gonna go in with quench, I don't know how you pronounce it, and try to like blend it out right there. Like I try. I don't know if I will succeed. We will see. Now I need to stop anyway. Why do I like it? I think now I want to go in with Drizzle, the darkest shade in here, and like really just darken it a little bit on the other edge. I know I said that before, but I kinda went in You know, I can't talk. I'm so stupid. This eye is always the fucked up eye, so you always see the fucked up eye. I'm so sorry. So I just did that and I readjusted, is that the word? I think so, my camera, so now I can like sit a little bit more comfortable. I can talk, but that's not new here. I kinda wanna dip in the shade Peach again and like on the lower lash line. So I think I'm just gonna try that. I don't know if that's too fluffy though. I'm gonna try. Oh, that's good. I don't want to do a cut crease again, but it would look pretty. But I don't want to do the same thing all the time. I think I'm just gonna go in with Bitch one more time and like blend it like here. Like I want to have it here that I can do like a halo eye or something like that. Or do you call it a half cut crease, like right here, half cut crease, halo eye, something like that. Just, you know, I'm trying to do something different here. Maybe I will love it, maybe I will hate it, maybe you will love it, maybe you will hate it. We all don't know yet, but we will see. I'm so sorry, it's my cat and he's outside. But I think my mom just, yeah, she's gonna let him in. So he's fine. So after some swatching, I think I want to go in with the NYX glitter primer. At first I'm full of glitter and shimmer and just everything. Yeah, I want to go in with the NYX glitter primer first and create something here. I want to go dip into, I don't know how you pronounce it again, I think it's called Plunge, and put that over top. Now we're doing this on this eye too. Oh fuck. I mean, it is a little different than what I normally do. Not much, but a little. I want to go in next with Drizzle again and darken it a little more on my lower lash line. And we'll see how that goes. So next I want to go in with a black This, it's from Sephora Crayon Eye Pencil. I just wanted to, it's from Sephora, the eye pencil to go, and I'm just gonna put that in the upper and probably also the lower lash line. Here we go. Mascara. And I'm gonna use the Volume Hero Mascara in Waterproof from Essence. And now I'm gonna apply the 120 Demi Black lashes from Ardell. These are my favorite lashes from Ardell that I tried so far, so we're gonna do that. different human being. It looks so pale. So it's just gonna throw on some, I don't even know what this is. It's from Korea. I don't know. Makeup, and I just, every time that happens and I feel like I look like a pale, like so pale that I could be sick, and the eyes are so, I'm just do that. I think I'm gonna go with this one, and that's the NYX Liquid Suede in Initiateur. You know, this one. So I just went over top of my lips again with a NYX Lip Tease Lip Lacquer in Decadent. So I'm done. I think I look pretty cute. What do you think? I think I look pretty cute. Tell me what you think in the comments down below. Follow me on all of my social medias, which is all linked in the description. Like, subscribe, and yeah. See you in the next one. Bye.